আজ কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতি পদে শপথ নেবেন প্রকাশ শ্রীবাস্তব। ইতিমধ্যেই কিন্তু মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় এসে পৌঁছেছেন। উপস্থিত রয়েছেন একাধিক ব্যক্তিত্ব।
May I have Your Excellency's leave to commence the proceedings? May I have Your Excellency's leave to read out the notification issued by the Additional Secretary to the Government of India.
Please.
India, Part 1, Section 2. Number K 1301/2021/US Roman 2. Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Women's Division, Jaisalmer House, 26 Mansingh Road, New Delhi, 110011, dated 9th October 2021. In exercise of the powers conferred by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Shri Justice Prakash Srivastava, Judge of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, to be the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Rajinder Kashyap, Additional Secretary to the Government of India. May I have Your Excellency's leave to read out the warrant of appointment issued by His Excellency, the President of India.
Please.
By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Ram Nath Kovind, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Justice Prakash Srivastava, Judge of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, to be the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 9th day of October in the year 2021, 17th Asvina, 1943 Saka, in the 72nd year of the Republic of India, President of India. May I now most humbly request Your Excellency, the Governor of West Bengal, to address Mr. Justice Prakash Srivastava as Chief Justice of the High Court at Calcutta.
I, Prakash Srivastava, having been appointed Chief Justice of the High Court of in the name of God, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as established. I will uphold the sovereignty of India, that I will duly and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duty of my office and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I request the learned Advocate General to deliver his speech.
The Honorable His Excellency,
May I request the learned
The Governor.
Advocate General to deliver his speech.
the Honorable His Excellency, the Governor, my Lord the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, my Lord the Chief Justice of the High Court of Judicature at Bombay, the Additional Solicitor General of India, the Registry, Special Officers of the Bar Association, Secretary of the Bar Library Club, and President and Secretary of the Incorporated Law Society, dignitaries, friends, and all those who are present today. It is indeed my pleasure and privilege to welcome Shri Justice Prakash Srivastava as the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court at Calcutta. Felicitation speeches tend to be long and boring. I intend to make it very short. This Honorable Court is the oldest High Court in India and is second to none in terms of heritage and legacy. This Honorable Court has, both prior to and after framing of the Constitution of India, played an important role in the development of public law remedies. It has also played a pivotal role in the development of commercial law, particularly law relating to companies, arbitration, and intellectual property rights. As a member of the Calcutta High Court Bar, I am terribly proud of this institution. We have had an excellent relationship between the bar and the bench for most of the time. There have been hiccups, but things have always got sorted out. I am sure, my Lord, the Chief Justice, with the wide and varied experience that you've had, both in the practice of law and as a judge of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, you shall prove to be an able leader of this august institution. We hope to have a further strengthening of ties between the bar and the bench during your tenure. Our rich and old traditions at times have proved a hurdle in the development of both law as well as access to and dispensation of justice. But in the recent past, we have been witness to the embracing of modernity in this High Court. And I'm sure under your leadership, we will progress further in this regard. Last but not the least, this is the forum where the poor, the needy, and the rich will seek justice. And I would humbly request, and I'm sure your Lordship will agree with me here, my Lord the Chief Justice, that not one citizen of this state should ever feel that he's been denied access to justice. And I'm sure we will realize this ideal under your leadership and guidance. Thank you very much. Welcome again to the state of West Bengal.
Thank you, sir. May I request Learned Additional Solicitor General to deliver his speech.
Your Excellency, the Governor of West Bengal, the Honorable the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court, the Honorable Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, the Honorable Judges of this Honorable Court, the Learned Advocate General, the Chairman of the Bar Council, members of the Registry, members of the family and friends of the Honorable the Chief Justice, the office bearers of the Bar Library Club, the Incorporated Law Society, and the Bar Association, brothers and sister advocates, ladies and gentlemen. I convey my heartiest greetings to my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, Prakash Srivastava,